Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on this bobble stitch. I used a colorful yarn for that one, but for samples maybe it's better to make it with another color. It's more visible. We are going to make some chain, and then on each chain we are going to make 1/2 double crochet until the end of the row, because for this pattern we need to have a multiple of 4 plus 3. I'm going to make this row finish by make 1/2 double crochet on each chain, right? I already finished the row by making 1/2 double crochet. What we have to do, because this pattern needs 4 row repeat, this is you're going to chain 2, and as it's better to make chain 1 and return the work. The pattern starts from the wrong side, and what we have to do, we insert the hook in the first one, make 1 single crochet, and we repeat 2 more times like that. So now we have 3 single crochet. For the next one we start by make 1/2 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are going to make a double crochet 5 times without finish them like a cluster. Then I make all together and insert my hook for the next one and insert my single crochet third time, 1, 2 and 3. As you can see, you have bobble at the other side. Let's repeat again. In the next chain we are going to make 5 times double crochet but not finish it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then you have 6 loops in the hook. We are going to make it in 1, then make 3 single crochet for the next 3 chain. We are going to repeat that pattern until the end of the row. When it comes to the end of the row, you have to have 1, 2, 3 stitch left. We are going to make 3 single crochet like at the end, and in the beginning you have 3 here and 3 left. Then we are going to chain 2, and in this row, as you can see here, you have the first row bobble. In this row we are going to make 1/2 double crochet in each chain here. What I have to do, I insert my hook here, so this one consists as 1, 2, and I make 1 here as a 3. Always you have to make the 1 on the top of the bobble here. This is like as a force. The reason, because we are going to have exactly the same number for the first row. Again I repeat by chain half double crochet here. So this is 1, 2 and 3. I have to also make the one at the top of the bobble. I insert my hook in this chain and make 1 half double crochet, and I repeat the row like that until the end of the row. When it comes to the end of the row, we are going to make 1 half double crochet on the top of the chain like that. Now it's time to start to make a bobble between these bobble here. We are going to chain 1, repeat and return the work. For the first one I'm going to make 1 single crochet, the second one also 1 single crochet. So it means for this row we always start by 2, then we make 5 double crochet like a cluster. We should not close it until we have 6 loops. Make it 1 and then 3 single crochet for the next 3 chain. Let's do it one more time, and this is the repeat until the end of the row. One, 2 and 3. Now if you can see here, the bubbles comes between this bubble here. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back. Now I finished the row. I'm going to make 1 single crochet, and the next one, this row, like in the beginning, you have to have 2 single crochet in the beginning, 2 single crochet at the end. We chain 2, return the work, and then I start to make 1 half double crochet here, half double crochet on the top of the bubble, and then we keep continue by make 3 half double crochet here, 1 at the top, and this is the repetition of these 4 rows. After few rows your pattern should look like that. I like the bubble stitch very much because you are going to use it for any kind of project like a baby blanket, a scarf, hat. This is really nice and beautiful. As also you can see here is optional, is for you if you want to use the colorful yarn or if you want any kind of yarn. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.